is Catalyst. It's about running enterprise, IT, and network workloads on a common set of digital infrastructure and managing these workloads uniformly across multiple data centers. The key benefits that we see is that it will optimize TCO, increase business agility, and optimize technology diversity. With that in mind, we have the following setup. So Amdocs and Ericsson will have the marketplace, BSS, lifecycle service orchestration, as well as virtualized workloads and cloud orchestrator and NFVO.
With the alignment of the UDI Catalyst project, we delivered a comprehensive solution that is based on ONAP, which is a telco-grade, vendor-agnostic, supports multiple workloads, and supports multiple VIMs to ensure optimal deployment and utilization of the infrastructure resources.
Utilizing Amdocs experience in the BSS and OSS domain, we created an example of BSS to place an order for a B2B customer, going down to the actual orchestration of the end-to-end story from the commercial contracting and order capturing, all the way to the hybrid solution to be able to place the network, the physical network, and the hybrid solution. Looking into the hybrid domain, we'll be able to see that in the ONAP, there's a service instance that is created on this level of the service instance, going down to the VNF and creating a VF module on the heat open stack. And if I'll go to the active and available inventory, we will be able to see the customer, along with its subscription, which is the internet connectivity services, all the way down to the tenant, which is created on the Mirantis Ericsson OpenStack, and the service instance that we just saw now.
So for this Catalyst program, Ericsson has deployed Ericsson Cloud Manager to orchestrate and manage virtual resources, virtual network functions, and applications across multiple OpenStack and VMware infrastructures. So I will take you through the major setup in this implementation. So here we are looking at provider dashboard. So through this dashboard, the operator will be able to see the overall virtual resource utilization and also monitor the health of the virtual infrastructure. So in this implementation, we have integrated with multiple virtual infrastructures. So we have two sites. One is the central side, the other one is the edge side. In the central side, we have Ericsson Cloud Execution Environment, which is based on the Mirantis OpenStack. And we have another OpenStack from VMware, which is the VMware integrated OpenStack. We also have a vSphere environment. And in the vSphere environment, we have three virtual infrastructure managers, namely the vCenter, vCloud Director, and vRealize Automation. So each one is positioned for different purposes, right? So the vCenter provides a hypervisor management, and the vCloud Director provides a multi-tenancy-based infrastructure management. And vRealize Automation is meant for automating the IT workloads. On the edge side, we have OpenStack and the vSphere environment as well. So in this setup, we also have different tenants. So we have a network tenant where we have a complex virtual network functions such as virtual EPG. And we have IT tenants where we have multi-tier IT applications onboarded on OpenStack and VMware. And we also have enterprise tenant who has the virtual CPE, which is relatively simpler virtual network functions onboarded on both OpenStack and VMware as well. So I'll just quickly go through the tenant views. So we have unified interfaces, a self-service portal for different tenants. So here we are looking at a tenant for network, right? So the network tenants, we have EPG, showing that here we have EPG deployed on the OpenStack. Likewise, we have EPG deployed on the vSphere as well. And this is the ID tenant. So ID tenant also has a unified interface where they can manage and orchestrate their IT workloads. In this example, we have a three-tier applications deployed through vRealize Automation. And for enterprise tenant, we have a virtual CPE using the Fortinet firewalls. So that is deployed on the OpenStack. So all the tenants and the providers can use a single unified self-service portal to manage and orchestrate different type of workloads. And furthermore, the same capability is exposed through the REST APIs to upstream OSS and BSS systems.